Traders, welcome to the Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, March 9th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had 5 trades in the room, 2 in crude and 3 in the NASDAQ. They were all winners. 2 of them were small, 3 of them were really nice. And I'm going to go through everything here in no particular time order from left to right. Now on the NASDAQ, we did not get this up move because we shorted the crude. If you look at the crude, we were in the crude right here after 9:30, and by the time that trade ended down here, you'll see it's like 10:30. We were all the way up here, and we were already at targets. They just raced to get to the targets in the NQ and the ES, and then kind of went sideways. So longs were no longer an option, and so it was either flat or short. We did take 3 shorts, and they all made money. So I would have rather been long here, but we hit short in the crude. So we did take a short on an exhaustion trade that was on the 10 o'clock candle. And that was here, 957 candle. We had an exhaustion trade, hit at about 90, 150, 92. It went down to 81. So it got about almost, 40 ticks, down. Again, guys, these are big candles, so it doesn't look like a whole lot, but and I told everybody, we're not expecting this thing to go down. Once it pushes down, we're looking for red candles, which we got in both of these other trades. We did make 40 ticks, go to entry or a total break even, and that's what you got. But it did go up to 40 ticks. Then we had a beautiful death candle trade, and that was after the 10:06 candle. 34.75, and that trade went down to down about 100 ticks. Went down about 100 ticks down. That was a really nice trade. And again, we were expecting up to a couple red candles. You'll see here 2 red candles after we got in both times. We were not expecting necessarily it to go all the way down to the basement down here, because this was a very strong, there's a reason why the market's up today. But short term, it wasn't going to go that much higher anyway. I didn't want to buy the top. So up to 100 ticks there. And then we had an RS trade. I called it at 34 on the 11:06 candle. In fact, I called it 3 or 4 candles beforehand. 34 was the RS trade. And again, it went down from 34. It went down over 40 points. And that was 100 and up to 160 ticks. Again, 2 red candles. Boom, boom. So within 6 minutes, boom, up to 140 ticks. And then in crude, like I said, we weren't in that up move in the NASDAQ because we shorted crude. We had a beautiful crude opportunity, an RS trade after the 948 candle, 64.78. That trade went down 60 ticks, 60 plus pennies, which is up to $600 a contract. And again, people are taking profits along the way, scaling out. So not everybody got, of course, $600 on every contract. However, we did get a reversal signal over here. So anybody who tried to stay in with runners, it came down, it came back up. When it retested and we got the reversal signal, I was like, look, that's it short term. And again, people were out along the way. Market came back up, came back down again. We took another trade, and I said, this is going to be really, where the rubber meets the road with the crude. We took the trade at 20, and it went down made about 12 pennies. 12 pennies. So again, up to 12 pennies or a total break even on that. So that might have been a small one or a break even. And that's it. So we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to do it all over again. We had no losing trades in the room today. And we will see everybody back tomorrow. Don't forget to check out our free trial at www.futurestradingcoach.com. You get 10 days, 25 hours of trading calls analysis and all your questions answered. Check us out. You will not be disappointed.